Most of the OnePlus 7 Pro's specs are no secret, especially thanks to all the teasers from the company's CEO, and it looks like the screen is going to be the centerpiece feature. In the latest reveal, Pete Lau said that on top of the QHD Plus resolution and the 90Hz refresh rate, the screen would also support the HDR10 Plus standard. There are only a handful of smartphones complying to the HDR10 Plus standard, and it's a pretty big deal. For instance, the regular HDR10 standard tops up at 1000 nits of spot brightness, while the HDR10 Plus goes up to 4000 nits. This news comes shortly after the DisplayMate's A+ rating, so we can't wait to see what the fuss is all about when it launches on May 14th. Additionally, the CEO also teased that the OnePlus 7 Pro will feature the UFS 3.0 flash storage for even faster overall performance. It will most likely be the first smartphone with UFS 3.0 on the market, since the Galaxy Fold won't be on the shelves by the time OnePlus 7 series arrive.